This Friday, there is optimism is all around at Dalal Street, hinting at a strong possibility that the benchmark Nifty stays in the green throughout the session. Our call of the day, an optimistic start on cards. Bulls will aim to reclaim its psychological 26,000 mark and hopefully aim to end the week with a bang. The two key positive catalysts. 1. The annual inflation rate in the US came in at 2.7% in December 2025, the lowest since July, below forecast of 3.1% and 3% reported for September. 2. Wall Street zoomed higher in overnight trade as the street shrugs off AI sell-off. Well, the good news is that another quarter-point rate cut from the Federal Reserve could be on the table as soon as January. Well, a lower US policy rate typically improves global risk appetite. For emerging markets like India, this means stronger foreign inflow potential, a healthier rupee, and better liquidity. The improved US growth outlook also supports export-oriented sectors, especially IT, adding further tailwinds. Ideally, when US rates fall, global investors rotate capital toward high-yielding markets, making India a natural beneficiary. Bottom line, Nifty has a realistic chance of closing above the 26,000 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's sluggish session, FII turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 596 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2,700 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest a massive rebound play after recent consolidation. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped near 9.71 levels. At last check, USDINR, December, was trading near the 90.32 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 0.71. Nifty outlook. Nifty will aim to end the week with a bang. The bulls are likely to be everywhere. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 25,816. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,693 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,326 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,750 and 26,100. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 84,482. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed at 84,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 86,200 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,300 and 86,000. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 58,913. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,115 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,500 and 60,000. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Nifty is likely to join the conga line of rising stock markets across the globe. The street suspect there is a fair chance Nifty closes above the 26,000 mark once again, with eyes gradually shifting toward its all-time high of 26,326. Stocks in spotlight. 1. MCX was in demand, up 1.5% at 10,175 rupees on stock split record date announcement. The company fixed 2nd January 2026 as the record date for its approved stock split. Under the plan, each 10 rupees face value share will be split into 5 2 rupee shares, aimed at improving liquidity and boosting retail participation. MCX hit a record high of 10,515 rupees and 60 paise on 8th December and is up 62% in 2025, sharply outperforming the Sensex 7.8% gain. The stock has also rebounded 132% from its March 2025 low. 2. HBL Engineering was star outperformer, jumped 7.23% to 817 rupees on business update. HBL Engineering shares updated the exchanges on its loco TCAS order execution. Of the 2,200 TCAS units ordered in 2024, the company delivered and installed 1,659 units, 75.4%, by 13th December 2025 deadline. The balance 541 units now stand cancelled as per the terms of the purchase order. 3. Meesho, plus 8.34%, 234 rupees, jumped out of the gate and most importantly, crossed 1 trillion rupees MCAP. The stock has now surged 111% from its IPO price of 111 rupees in just 7 trading sessions.